Hi, Mahlangu Sibonsile Mahlangu. I'm from Kriel. The name of my business is Ibhudango. I have the beauty side of the business, which is makeup, hair, and I have the cosmetic side of the business, which is UB Cosmetics. I'm situated in Kriel, Mega Plaza Building, office number 014. I have quite a number of products. It's beauty products, so it's your beauty cosmetics, your hand wash, body scrubs, perfumes, and home essentials like your diffusers, scented candles, and room and linen spray. What motivated me to start my business? I was working a 9 to 5 for 2 years, and I just felt like it's too much and you're getting too little. So why not start something that is gonna be owned by me and also create job opportunities? People should buy my products because they're very unique. As you can see in front of me, I have our hand wash. I'll just make an example with the hand wash. It's my product. We do have a hand wash that has UB Cosmetics, but we can go as far as making it personal for a particular brand or for a business or for a person. So this one right here is for a certain guest house situated in Kriel. So with also our perfumes, you can make your perfumes personalized. If you want to gift somebody, then we can have a name written there, a name of a person, and you can also start a brand with our brand. That is how unique we are. It's not only about us, but also making a difference in the life of others and helping them start. You can get a hold of us on our social media platforms. We have an Instagram page, UB Cosmetics _ at the end, and we do have a website. It's www.ubcosmetics.co.za, and our contact numbers at 073-6989-208. We also have a Facebook page. It's the very same name on Instagram. You just type it all on Facebook.
Hi, my name is Sibonsile Mahlangu and I am a township entrepreneur.